Hey guys, welcome to my new After Effects video. In this video, I want to show how to make search bar animation with After Effects. Let's get started. So after done video, I will show all these project files in description below. First step, let's create new background. Right mouse, new and solid. Add name background, click OK. Go to effects preset, search effect fill. Select this fill, let's use for this solid layer. And go to color, let's select color like this. This is color code, you can use this color code for your background. And click OK. Let's lock layer and go to shape layers, hold this icon and select random ratchet tool. Then make one shape layer like this, click selection tool and go to stroke, change 0. Go to fill, let's click color and let's select color like this. This is color code again, click OK. Then let's select shape layer and move to center. Let's open Rangel 1 and Rangel Path 1. Change radius for circle and click this size icon, click here. Change size like this. Okay, let's change name shape layer search icon and in this time press S, make scale keyframe, change scale 0. Go to 10 keyframe. For shortcut you can use hold shift press page down in the keyboard. Let's change scale 60 and go to 10 keyframe again, change scale 55. Go to 10 keyframe again, change 60. Let's select keyframes, make easy ease. Let's see. Okay, select keyframes, hold alt, move to left for fast animation and change quality full. Okay, select keyframes, go to graph editor and let's make graph smooth like this. Okay, back to keyframes with this icon and go to first second, hold shift press P, make new passing keyframe and let's move to down. Go to here, move to up, again go to here, move to down, again go to here and move to up. Let's select keyframes, make easy. Let's see. Okay, nice. Select keyframes, last 3 keyframes, hold alt, move to right. Okay, and go to here, go to 5 keyframes again. Let's move to down. Let's see. Okay, and go to 5 keyframes again and move to up for more bounce effect. Let's see. Okay, that's good. So let's create new null object. Right mouse, new and null object. For move to anchor point center, hold Ctrl and let's double click palm behind icon for move to anchor point center. Click selection tool and go to here. Let's move to center like this. Press S, click this icon and go to here. Go to here and select search icon, link to null object and let's change scale like this. Go to here, make scale keyframe and go to 5 keyframes. Let's change scale 105 and go to here, change 100. Select keyframes, make easy. Let's see. Okay, select keyframes, let's move right. Okay, that's good. So in this time, select the search icon, let's open settings, contents and Rangel 1, Rangel Path 1. And in this time, make size keyframe and radius keyframe. Go to here and change size like this. And change radius 100. Let's see. And select keyframes, make easy. Let's see. Okay, let's select these size keyframes, go to graph editor and make smooth graph. Let's see. Okay, that's good. Back to keyframes, select these radius keyframes, go to graph editor and make graph like this. Okay, nice. So back to keyframes and select keyframes. After filing object, let's move to left. Okay, let's move to left again. Nice. So in this time, let's close keyframes and go to shape layers, hold this icon, select ellipse tool, and let's hold shift, make one ellipse, and click selection tool, close fill color, select none, click OK, change stroke width like this. Okay, let's see. And go to pen tool, let's make one line like this, click selection tool, and open shape layer 2 and contents, shape 1, stroke 1, change, butt cap 2, round cap 4, smooth object. And select pen tool, let's change size like this, click selection tool. Okay, so in this time, select this shape layer 1, let's change name, circle, and this line. Select this circle, go to add and open trim paths, go to first, second, and open here trim path 1 and change end 0, make end keyframe, and go to here, change end 100. Select keyframes, make easies, let's see. Okay, and go to here, select this ellipse 1, let's open here, open stroke 1, change butt cap to round cap 4, smooth line. Let's see. Okay, select keyframes, go to graph editor, and let's make again smooth graph. Let's see. Okay, select last keyframe, move to right. Nice. So select these keyframes, Ctrl C, and select this line, Ctrl V. Let's see. Okay, let's move to right. Okay, select this line, press U for C keyframes, and select keyframe, move to left for fast animation. Let's move to left, move to right. Okay, that's good. So select this line, let's link to circle and close settings like this. Let's move to here and select this circle 1, let's link to search icon. Let's see. Okay, nice. Let's select this circle and line, let's move to right. Okay, that's good, and select this circle, and in this time press P, make new passing keyframe, and go to here. Let's move to left like this. Select keyframes, make easies, go to graph editor and select graph, make smooth layer. Let's say again. Okay, nice. And select keyframes, move to left. Okay, that's good. So go to here, hold shift, press R, make rotation keyframe, and go to last keyframe. Let's change rotation like this. Select rotation keyframe, again make easies. Okay, very nice. So go to here and select last keyframe. Let's go to 5 keyframes, move to right, and go to 5 keyframes, move to left for bounce effect. Let's see. Okay, we have problem with keyframes. Let's fix this keyframe. Select last 3 keyframe, right mouse, keyframe interpolation, change auto bezier to linear. Click OK. Let's see. Okay, nice. Select last keyframes, hold Alt, move to right. So in this time, let's go to text and let's write here. I will write my name and surname, Nijat Ibrahimli. Click selection tool and change font size like this. Change color white. And let's change font style. Let's use this font Canet and click for close all caps. Change bold like this. Let's change semi-bold or try medium. Okay. So in this time, let's go to effect preset, search effect word processor, select this word processor, and let's use for this text. Let's see. Okay, press U for see keyframes and select keyframes, move to first, second, and move to right this text layer. Let's see. Let's move to right again. Okay, let's see animation. Okay, this very fast animation. Let's select keyframe, move to right. Let's see again. Okay, nice. So in this time, select this search icon. Let's open settings, and in this time make size keyframe. Go to here and change size like this, and go to first, second, make roughness keyframe, go to last keyframe. Let's change roughness like this. Okay, and in this time select this null. Let's press P, make new position keyframe, go to here and move to down. Let's see. Okay, and in this time select this circle icon and make new position keyframe, go to last keyframe and move to up. Let's see. Okay, nice. And let's select this size keyframe, go to graph editor, and let's select this graph, make smooth layer and this graph. Let's see. Okay, back to keyframe, select this roughness keyframe, go to graph editor, let's zoom to graph and select this graph, make smooth and this. Let's say again. Okay, nice. So back to keyframes and select null object keyframes, make easies, go to graph editor and make graph like this. Okay, back to keyframes, select this circle keyframe, select these two position keyframes, go to graph editor and let's zoom to graph. Let's make smooth line. Okay, not bad. And back to keyframes again, select this text and let's link to circle icon. Let's see. Okay, nice. Okay, so in this time let's close settings, keyframes, and select this text, Control D, and let's unlink, select none and move to right. Let's see, and move to down this text, and let's go to character, change menu to italic. Okay, let's change this text style, Nijat Ibrahimli, Duik, click selection tool and change font size. Let's Control D again, move to down, Nijat Ibrahimli, motion, click selection tool, press U and let's see. Okay, select these text layers and let's link to search icon and select this second text, move to right, let's move to left. Let's see. Okay, let's press U and move to left for fast animation. Okay, nice. So in this time let's select this text, press T, go to here and change opacity 0, make opacity keyframe and go to here, make opacity 100. Let's see. Okay, and go to here, select this layer, press T, change opacity 0, make opacity keyframe and go to here, change 100. Select keyframes, make easies. Let's see. Okay, nice. So thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.